Hello, so reading ito for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, unfortunately. Hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo, pero okay lang yun. May mga next reading tayo. For those of you na hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ka lahat ng likes, comments, and share. So what do we have here for water sign? Search mo na lang guys sa Facebook, #WaterSignPhilippines. If you want to book a personal reading dyan sa Facebook page namin na Madam P. Tsaka may mga sinishare ako dyan guys na video na hindi ko na-share dito sa channel. So hopefully ay ma-check mo rin yan. Water sign. You do have here the Four of Cups. And the Knight of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So anyway, water sign. Main energy mo, parang may gusto kang, I don't know, kausapin, i-connect, reconnect, parang ganun. Or, yung iba pasalubungan eh. Maybe there's a person, particular person in your mind right now, na parang hindi ka sure kung paano ka haharap or makikipag-connect or communicate dito sa taong to. With the Knight of Pentacles energy, parang may gusto kang ibigay or sabihin sa kanya. With the Magician, I feel like hindi ka nagiging totoo ngayon sa mga taong to. Yung iba, marami sila, yung iba, particular person. And maybe may spiritual connection sa iyo at sa mga taong to. Okay? I feel like minsan ka nang umalis or lumayo or nag-leave dito sa kanila or minsan mo na silang nilayuan for whatever reason, and the Hanged One is here. And yung iba sa inyo pwedeng hindi mo pa rin sa usaping love, no? Because this is love reading, hindi mo pa rin siya makalimutan. So pwedeng iba lumalabas pa rin siya sa panaginip mo, or whenever you're daydreaming, natutulala ka na lang, biglang may isip mo na lang kung taon to. So there are cases like that kung bakit nagiging dahilan sa'yo na hindi mo pa rin makalimutan etong particular person na to. Main energy niya, okay, the Empress. Okay, so ano naman talaga yung paghanga mo dito sa person to? He or she is very beautiful. Beautiful person inside and out. Medyo nakakaranas lang siya ng mga problem ngayon, especially financially. And I feel like itong person na to is someone na hindi halata sa kanya kahit nagkakaroon siya ng struggle pagdating sa usaping pera. So ngayon, pwedeng hindi mo alam kung iniisip ka pa niya, or importante ka pa ba, or yeah, this could be a person in the past. Pwedeng siya yung malaki naging alalay or naitulong niya sa'yo para magkaroon ka ng growth and expansion. And yung iba sa inyo, kung bakit natutunan mong i-balance. Kasi may times na pwedeng bumagsak ka na or malapit ka na sana bumagsak, but then this person bigla siyang dumating sa buhay mo and hindi niya hinayaan na bumagsak ka. Like, nandyan siya palagi for you. And maybe this is a friend or a person in the past na dumating din yung point na kinalimutan niya yung sarili niya para sa'yo. So, ano emotion ninyo sa isa't isa for the sign of water sign? Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. You do have the Death card. This is Scorpio energy. Queen of Pentacles. I want to get one more card sa side mo. Three of Cups. Yeah. Emotions niya for you. Two of Wands. Two of Swords. Actually, nagpakita na itong Two of Swords kanina eh. Strength card. Okay. For you, emotion mo para sa kanya, nandun yung admiration. Ina-admire mo siya. Maybe physically attracted ka sa kanya. There's something about this person na parang very magnetic. Na parang hindi mo siya kayang i-deny. Diba? Kasi nafe-feel mo rin yung magnetism nitong taong to. Pwedeng, ano siya, I don't know, it feels like, lalo na yung moment na wala siya sa buhay mo, or nawala kayo sa connection, nandun yung, you're still looking forward na magkaroon ng reconnection sa inyong dalawa. Yung out of nowhere, bigla na lang siyang dadating. Diba? Three of Cups, nakikita natin na nakikita mo or you feel at home dito sa person na to. Kaya nandun yung gusto mong makipag-reconnect eh. Kasi, nafe-feel mo na hindi siya basta pwedeng kalimutan. Kumbaga, thankful ka pa rin sa kung ano yung mga binigay niya sa'yo or ginawa niya sa'yo. Okay. Na-appreciate mo siya as a person. And at the same time, pwedeng naging kaibigan mo siya. Parang ganun. Or there's something about this person na parang ang hirap hanapin sa iba. Two of Wands, emotion ng person ito for you. May mga plano siya ngayon. There's separation sa inyong dalawa. And with the Strength card, I feel like medyo mataas yung ego niya or hindi kasi niya hindi siya para makipag-reconnect or communicate sa'yo ngayon. And I feel like medyo hindi kanya napapansin or sorry about that. May dumaan. So anyway, with the Strength card and Two of Swords, ang hirap na na malaman kung ano yung tingin mo sa kanya ngayon. So dahil wala siyang idea, may iba siyang pinagfo-focusan ngayon, especially sarili niya, no? Yung tinatry niyang ayusin, tinatry niyang i-guide yung I feel like ibang tao, like maybe there's someone na laging nandiyan sa tabi niya or paligid niya na parang kailangan ng tulong niya or medyo iba ang direction niya ngayon eh, hindi papunta sa'yo. Okay? Tinatry niya rin mag-grow. Okay? So, meron din siya mga binibuild na community, maybe friends or whatever. Or maybe online yung iba. Something to do with community or a lot of people ang involved. Wala akong nakukuha ang energy papunta sa'yo. But rather, nakikita natin dito sa person ito yung self-love sa ngayon. What will happen in the near future for you, for the both of you? You do have the Devil. Is Capricorn energy. Queen of Swords. The Hermit at the bottom of the deck. Nine of Pentacles is also here. The Emperor. The Moon. So with the Emperor, I feel like may mga taong nagmamanipulate sa'yo or trying to, parang hindi nagiging maganda direction mo because of these people. Could be a boss. Or person. Ikaw na nakakaalam niyan eh. Very toxic person. Minamanipulate ka niya. And kailangan mo tayo cut off. I feel like ito yung nagiging dahilan para hindi ka mag-grow. Kung bakit ikaw ay parang nakatali, hindi ka makaalis sa isang lugar, sa isang, kung ano yung mga gusto mong gawin, hindi mo magawa because, of this person. Kailangan mo siya i-cut off. Alam mo yun. Kasi may mas better pa na path for you. Kailangan mo umalis sa iyong comfort zone. Lalo na with the Hermit at the bottom of the deck. The Hermit is showing to me as yung literal to na hermit crabs eh. Yung hermit crabs, guys, is someone or is an animal. Pinanganak sila, wala silang shell. They have to find their own shell. Tapos after nun, yung shell na yun, pag habang lumalaki sila, they have to move out of their shell at maglipat sa mas malaking shell. So, etong hermit na ito, lumalabas siya as ikaw, na may mga tao sa buhay mo na kailangan mo nang alisan in order for you to grow. And you have to get out of your comfort zone. Kasi pag hindi, may stuck ka dyan, hindi ka mag-grow. Ikaw yung mahirapan. And at the same time, you're not going to feel free. Yung freedom, wala sa'yo yan. No? And yung iba, this could be work na kailangan mo mag-transfer ng work because hindi na okay, diba? Ikaw na nakakaalam yan. Yung iba, it could be home, kailangan mag-change ng place, or maybe part of your family, nagiging sagabal sa growth mo, so kailangan mong alisan. 9 of Pentacles, I feel like there's someone or something waiting for you out there. The Emperor, this could be a new boss or new person. Diba? With the Moon energy. Very secretive, pero nandun yung, it could be, yung iba kung ito ay job, pwedeng night time or nasa gabi. Ayan, yung job or career na ito. Or maybe if this is a person, this could be a person na mas active siya pagdating ng gabi or madaling araw. Yeah. And I'm seeing na mas mag-grow ka through the help of this person. I feel like may marami siyang kayang i-offer sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang mag-take ng risk. And kailangan mo lang maging totoo din sa sarili mo. Whether ikaw ay nasa situation pa na magbibigay ng happiness sa'yo. So thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.